Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon. Happy Monday times. Greetings, guys. Great to see you. 1st of June. Looking out here for an amazing month. For some great timings. Getting deep into our summer. How do you feel, guys? Slowly adjusting, fixing the things and getting ready for an absolutely amazing time. We're going for the targets relentlessly, and that's the way it goes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Great to see you. First things first, we gotta share the presentation pretty much in every trading community. You want to do the same thing with your friends, trading groups, telegrams, WhatsApps, Discords, pretty much everywhere, guys. Make sure to go ahead and share it. We're live. $150,000 will be done today. Good morning, good day, good evening. Happy Monday times. What a lovely week. Hoping to be a lovely week. With full of evaluation passed and some nice juicy payouts. Oh yeah, this is where we are. Sitting on 450s for the Nasdaq. Could be a concerning level in terms of a possible downtrend today. We're actually playing between 361 and 595 today. Today's low and today's high. This is an interesting structure that we just established here. And the continuation came out to be just by the book. Now, 415 daily opening, reacting nicely. The question is, if we get back to levels around 550s, 560s, where we have fair value gaps, and it's located here, guys. That's going to be the question that I'll try to put together by my trading today. We'll be trying to pass accounts. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. We must hit minimum, as usually, 180 likes. Please go ahead and like the video, guys. It's very important to kickstart on the right foot. Having my green team ready. We're going to trade a lot of the things. And by the way, these are the promotions of the week. We've been publishing on our Discord. Look at that. Here are the promotions, the image with the promotions of the week. I put together an image. Let me fix my tea in the meantime. One of the major updates in terms of promotions compared to last week is not Lucid. Lucid is running the same promotion. They didn't update it. FundedSeat is the same thing. YRM the same thing. Tap on Futures the same thing. Savius basically is running 70% off on 50k, 100k, and 150k, and 60% off on 300k for Savius. For those of you that are interested, these are the coupon codes and scramble code available. Here's the link for those of you that are interested, guys. Here's the sales and promotions where I'm speaking about the current pricings. So the 150,000 instant fund that is sitting on, let me quickly double check that. I don't think it's 227. That's ridiculous. 227 for an instant funded. Oh my gosh. 227? 227 for 150,000 instant funded with a target on 5%. 227, guys. Max 3 funded accounts and 1 month of free data feed. 227? Are you kidding me, right? Good morning, good day. Great to have you onboarded. And obviously, guys, as usually, wish you the best. I think it's going to be a interesting week. Maybe a week we will dedicate towards consolidating a week dedicated towards possible consolidation around Nasdaq. Possible consolidation around Nasdaq. Promotion on Savius ends in a couple of days. Probably about 3 to 4 days, something like that. I use a lot of the platforms. Good morning, great to see you. So basically we trade with a volumetric, with a deep chart volumetric, web-based for the FundedSeat, for example. We trade on the same platform for the YRM. And then with Lucid, we trade on Quant-Tower. And for Savius, we trade on Quant-Tower. For Tap1Futures, we trade on Tradeovate. Those are the places we trade, guys. Let me set up my copy trading. So first things first, we're going to get started with our accounts on FundedSeat. We're going to set up the copy trader as usually. And we're going to do copy trading 3 accounts of 150,000 for the FundedSeat. By the way, we published a video of FundedSeat payout rules yesterday, which has attached a $50,000 giveaway. So whenever you have time, you can watch that video. The giveaway is going to end on 12th of June. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We do have red for the news and 10 a.m. EST time ISM manufacturing PMI. This is a week correlated with the unemployment. There's a few red for the news for the US economy here. Yet not the most significant week of June. In terms of the news, this is where we are. Give me that lovely juice, guys. This is certainly not going to be easy to trade. Certainly, I don't like this kind of price action. But I'm going to try to short it here a little bit on 4 minis. I like to see if we can revisit levels around 420s. Back to our daily opening retest. That would be great. We're going to test it out. Thank you, by the way, for joining. A little short here as a continuation for the rejection and impulse movement we've been putting together. So obviously I need this level around the 50 plus to deny. I need this level to deny. Yeah. Looks like no retest for the moment. Let's see. This 5-minute candle is important, guys. We'll have to cut some of it. We'll have to cut some of it. just that cutting your shorts at supply is very likely a dangerous thing. Was looking for a continuation, not a reversal here, right? All the way back to those levels. I've DC'd a little bit, so as soon as I have a decent red candle here, I'm out. There you go. We sold quite a few. And we're fully out on 976. Handling basically, and because of that DCA, we have recovered out of the loss around $500. Because of that DCA at the top. So we've DC'd around the 60s and we got out around 54, 53. That way you have saved about $500 from the sizing. Was not a good entry. You gotta save as much as you can save out of a wrong entry. Do your best. But this 5 minutes shows impulse. Shows decent strength. At a level of do or die. Yet I'm wondering about this perfectly respected resistance line of the trend. That's something I'm wondering about. You see how we got out perfectly, minimizing the loss and the wrong entry? Oh, good job. Congratulations. I suggest you to go about DX feed, data feed. And then I like deep chart with volumetric, the web base. I like it a lot. For the FundedSeat, yeah. Basically, FundedSeat is running 60% off on your first purchase and then 50% off. There's a lot of the models, for example, their Flex account, there's no consistency and target on the funded stage. And quite comfortable in terms of the prices, about 85 bucks for the 50k. You can have 5 evaluations, 40% consistency evaluation, no consistency on the funded stage. Payouts can be requested every 4 days by earning the minimum per day, which is only 250 bucks. The model pays exactly like the Lucid Flex account pays, which is 50% of your profit. Of your total profit you can cash out. So if you want to cash out $1,500, which is the cap for the 50k, you got to do $3,000. And then certainly I like the 150k as well for the flex side. Heading to get all decent prices out there, 250s. Yeah, 2,500 on the payout. Oh yeah. So look at that one, guys. We're slowly building, touching the 200 EMA purple line here in the 5 minute. Could it be more than that? Could it be more than that on the table? I wouldn't rush shorting this here as soon as I know we have 25 points above the resistance trending line that has a triple confirmation. And it is also trading below the VWAP. So as soon as you have below the daily VWAP, as soon as you have oh my god, I'm gonna fall asleep. Oh, all right. So as soon as you have resistance or trending lines, but let's put it that way, resistance line that has confirmations, and we clearly see the price action pays attention and cares about it. As soon as you have anything like this below the VWAP, it means a lot of the strength, especially even a powerful and meaningful signal when you break out of that. If you have a support trending line that is clearly showing strength above the VWAP, again, it's something way more meaningful. Way more meaningful, guys. Depends where is it located compared to the VWAP. I'm still holding around here Could test something around the 500s. I could test out a short from there, just like I could do it from my YRM too. Purple line here, plus the algo green line, are two interesting levels. Yet I'm still waiting a little bit, guys. I'm still waiting. Hello, good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you. Excellent. Yep, that's right. So look at the purple line here. Hitting us hard. Hitting us hard on the purple line, guys. You guys can see that. You guys can see that. Yeah. What's my plan for today? Well, for the moment, I am looking forward to having a short around the daily VWAP level from here, which is around the 500s. And probably I'm going to wait without longing. Look at that. Without longing to that point. Something around 500s I would test out for a scalping short. Maybe even slightly above the 500s. I'm going to have some limit order set up here. 503, 500. A few minis down the road. There you go. Come on. I'm going to short this one here. Hopefully we don't get front run. Right? We don't want to be front run. We have a 6-minute short here waiting to be touched. 10 a.m. We've got some news in 10 a.m. with the manufacturing PMI red folder. But there is nothing else scheduled for... Oh, look at that. We just bounced away from the resistance trending line, guys. Haven't touched a VWAP. This is a resistance trending line that's very powerful for the moment. Very, very powerful. And I don't like it. I don't like it because I had my limit orders slightly above. I don't like it. Hey. Trading the Lucid as well, YRM, FundedSeat, all those platforms you guys are familiar. So that's going to be my theory for the short term here. And then one of the significant levels that will define the trend is whether you are capable of trading above last week's high, 536. In other words, if we reclaim 536 today and have the ability to sit above, not just survive, but certainly confirm support and demand above 536, then we're going to attack lovely levels by breaking the high and probably going to trade in an uptrend today. But certainly that last week's high is what marks the border, what marks the difference in the sand. I think it draws the line. 536 confirmed rejection. You're going to be downtrending, very likely touching levels below the daily opening, 415 afterwards. So that's going to be my theory, marked around 536 today. Yeah. Oh yeah. How do you guys see the current situation? There is not much happening, that's right. It's Monday. We got a London session to go through. I would test out a little long here. Let's see. If we can get a few points towards the 500s, would it be silly not to get back at least in this level? At least there. Not to mention higher, but at least there. Would be quite silly. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Oh, oh. Might come here. 500s acting like a magnet is what I'm looking for. Time to see if we can convert that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We're longing the price action after being down 990 bucks. I've DC'd a little more here. We're indeed quite aggressive. We're going to have 4 minutes long as well on my YRM too. Bouncing off that green algo line could be one of the solutions, and running it all the way back. You see, I'm gonna take profits early on this if we don't have a strong 1 minute candle producing engulfings and showing momentum. I don't want to be part of any bleeding. None of that is happening. Oh. It's not bad. I like to work towards my 5th Lucid account as well. My 5th funded Lucid account today. Maybe we can have 5 ready for the next payout instead of 4. This is not looking exciting here. 6 red candles of 1 minute in a row, producing damage. 0 reaction for the upside, trending line delivering big time rejection. No VWAP touch, leaving the same gap between the price action and the VWAP. Look at that. Front running, basically. We just front run. Yeah, and this is problematic already. This is already in trouble. I'm out of this. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we can do. We got to do something. We got to do something about it. Lovely. Incredible, guys. Incredible accuracy on that trending line, delivering big time. Impressive. Stop right there with the bears dumping. What an accuracy movement. Econ. There is a max loss of 4,500. There's a max loss of 4,500, so this is not going to be up at all, this evaluations. This evaluations are heavily under the water. Heavily. There's $30 in each. $30 buffer left. Nah, with $30 buffer left, there's not much you can do about it. 6 minis long. This is an interesting level that showed bouncing back in the day, a couple of hours ago. So I could have something from here, which is around the 55. For the YRM account, and for this one traded solo. 150,000 traded solo. Look at that. Come on, guys. Remember, everyone, we've got the giveaway, $150,000 today. Pretty slow Monday. This is still continuing our journey downwards. We'll have to cut it away. It's not working. It's a pretty bad London session, I can tell you. This pattern is working so accurately. The very moment you want to respect this pattern, it's no longer going to function. It's that kind of moment. I got a feeling. That's my feeling. This is an interesting reaction. As long as it holds, we're going to be fine with it. We have the flat hour opening here. Let's see if we can get a 20-30 point spike. And if things will change from here. $450 had support and a flat hour opening next to it. So I didn't expect anything wild, just simply a few points. Few little points. Six minis long on my funded seat. We're having a difficult time here, guys. What a price action, look at that. The paddle has been switched off. Paddle has been switched off. It's It's just about dumping. Waiting a little more. The YRM account has a lot of buffer, but this one actually... Yeah, but all that zero bouncing, even if you look back to previous structure, where you had some bouncing going around. Some green candles on the 5-minute. Except the previous swing low, this one. Very similar to what we have right now. Do you see it a little here? We might be onto... Nah. Unbelievable, guys. I gotta get out of this. And probably at the worst spot, right? Probably at the worst spot. Look at that. Now, these are not 1 10-second candlesticks, right? There you go. Liquidity has been grabbed and the market is reacting. Yeah, we got a decent reaction here. The next 5-minute candle is going to be interesting. It holds. We're going to have some juice. If it holds, we're going to have some juice. $25 minutes and the market opens today and Monday. $150,000 prop firm giveaways. Just make sure to follow the participation rules. You gotta sign up the form, like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Here's the Discord link, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at that one. Punishing. Breaking bones. Not looking good. Nothing. None of the evaluations are looking good. Probably have to trade my Lucid evaluation. Like it. like it, guys. Why am I so early on my long? So early. 446, way higher than I should have waited for this low. I should have waited for that. We were 1,400 unrealized at some point. 2,000, not 2,000 unrealized. Got a chance recovering that. It's a beautiful reaction here. Might just sell it a bit soon. Might just sell a little bit soon. I do fear that 415, guys. I'm sorry, but I do fear that, so that's why I'm out here. Yeah, we made 400 bucks, and I'm happy for that. After being down like 3,500, we're now down 500. So I do fear this one, guys. Daily opening. I do fear that. Which is why I'm not having an easy time holding my long. Made 500 bucks on that. Here's our YRM trade as well. We'll probably cut some of it. Yeah, we fully sold it, accepted 500 loss here on YRM2. So we're having $500 loss on both sides. Should be better. I do fear that daily and weekly opening from the way this whole thing played out. By the way, this is a completely downtrending representation. Yeah. Completely downtrending representation. Probably I'm going to work around building my shorts. You saw when the algos are turned on, watch this 1 minute price action, guys. What does it mean for the algos to perfectly function? This is exactly algo trading. Perfectly functioning on Monday. Good day, welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. $150,000 prop firm giveaways. You make sure to join that. Trading the FundedSeat. No consistency and target on the flex accounts. Payouts every 4 days. If you want daily payouts, then you have the daily account as well. Just posted a video on my channel yesterday. 50. Oh, what happened, guys? What happened? Do we have some news? You want to check that out, guys? You want to check that out with the news? What's happening? Give me a moment, guys. I'm going to be back in a minute. Give me a moment. I'll be back in a minute. Wow. You want to check that out for the news? Oh my god, look at that one. Unbelievable, guys. We made a new low, and now things are different. No, I was flat. I was flat. I had no active trade pretty much anywhere. Yes. This is quite of a difficult day. Well, you want to watch out for the fake price action, guys. You want to watch out. It's always there, between the lines, hiding around. You want to watch out. I was flat here, I was flat on the other side too. And I'm about to open Quant Tower right now to trade. I like to pass an evaluation today from Lucid. I like to have 5th account ready. This is not the easiest thing to short it, by the way. It's not the easiest thing. This is a level that did reacted before. You guys can clearly see that this is a level that did reacted before. So it has some meaningfulness behind it. It is not just noise, look at that. It's not just noise. 12 VC is back when the markets are running back to all-time high. We're gonna stop that all-time high movement. 15 minutes to go, guys, and the market opens. Not taking it long yet. Are you guys having the courage to long this one here? A falling knife? Because I'm not feeling that safe about it. Would you? Give it a shot just like this. Maybe the New York session is going to be different, but I felt today London is some kind of heavy nonsense. Was not able to do profits today at all on the London session. 332. I didn't have the feeling of a readable price action today. You know, you guys, I'm trading 90% of my trades in London, but today was something weird. I don't know if it goes. I don't know. I'm having a hard time. So if this is pushing it all the way back to last week's high, 536, that would be a massive scam, guys. Massive scam, right? Think about it. Now I'm still watching. I think it's the best way for me to trade today. By continue watching. You guys should agree with me. I like to be watching when things get nasty. When they do nasty things, You can't be playing games. They might come back to it tomorrow. They could come back to it tomorrow, right? But there is no tomorrow and such a problem raises. Oh. Maybe pushing some of the longs from here, a few minis. Come on, just a little bit lower so I can fill this thing up. And I'm gonna do the same thing on my YRM trade. Just a little lower. I don't want to chase this price section, guys. Look at that. Wow. What a scam, right? They want me to chase this. I would rather die than chasing. All the 4 contracts have been filled up in a juicy way. Ha ha ha. Yeah. But even the 200s or something. Can we get a bouncing here? Just a few more points so I can go break even. Same thing on my YRM. There's 7 minutes to go when the market opens. Nah. Have DC it here, guys, a little bit. Not considering a day in my life. No, no. I only need like 15 points here, a little bouncing. I don't care what's happening next. But I need something like this. That's kind of sufficient for me. if I may have the courage. Courage. It's weak. Don't be that weak. That's still silly. It's still silly. Yeah, gotta put a stop loss there, guys. Nah, he's not bouncing off. He's not bouncing off. He's not doing anything. It's just smashing me away. Wow. Same thing for my YRM. Nothing worked today so far. Nothing worked today so far. Probably one of the few days. Where's my quant tower? That I've been non-stop on losses today. You know, if you start your Monday like that, it's very likely to finalize your week with strong profits. Is it just a rumor? Or it could be the reality. We're gonna find it out. The YRM is, you know, having a ton of buffer, like 15,000 profit here. But this guy's here lost 4 accounts, 4 evaluations. It has been smashing on me today. I couldn't read the deepness behind this move. It's way deeper than I expected to be. That's the only problem. Nothing else. Market opens in 4 minutes. And you know what? We're going to trade Lucid Flex's evaluations. Because I want to have my 5 Flex funded account for the next cycle. I don't want the next cycle to be 12,000. I want to go for the max payout 15,000. So I'm going to allocate a few days here. We got a few accounts evaluations on 150,000 flexes that we're going to put next to the funded ones. We lost the last one, the only one we lost on Wednesday. We had 5 funded. We had 5 funded. Last week we had 5 funded. But we couldn't make it with a 5th to the payout stage of maximum payout. We couldn't make it. We were 1,500 down for the max payout on the 5th. So then I decided to take my payout on 4 accounts. Yeah, it was 4,500, the last one. And I did some mistakes. And we lost it. It was 4,500. We needed only 1,500. So the time I lost that one, I decided to take my payout on Friday from the other 4 that were ready for weeks. And now I'd like to give a chance basically for a new round possibility of having my 5th maybe. Yeah, of course. Yeah, not an issue, guys. We got loaded up with 12 grand. So, not an issue. These are the flexes. Market opens in 1 minute, guys. In 1 single minute. That's the way to go about it. In 1 minute. "30 seconds. Retest of the daily opening. 415. And here you go, guys. We have the opening bell. Quantower is lagging big time. $100 points pump. Look at the Quantower, guys. It's just nuts. Completely stuck. Probably have to refresh this one. Let me refresh this one. Completely stuck, guys. Quantower. Not responding. Oh, it's coming back in business. What a lag. Lovely and juicy move we got here. And I wouldn't mind to go for that daily opening 415. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. I haven't longed. I haven't touched anything yet. Yeah. Good luck with that, Joseph. We're probably going to start some trading next to the prop firms at some point. I'm going to start trading some personal funds as well. And I'm going to start from balances that are not going to be huge. We'll try to scale, for example, accounts that are $10,000 to maybe 100. Do a challenge like that, guys. Do a challenge like this. From 10,000 to 100,000 on personal funded account. I would do that challenge, guys. I would test it out. If we made it with 4,500 drawdown to 350, we're going to see how we could trade a $10,000 personal fund next to the prop firms. That's right. But 10,000 in a challenge with daily monitored activity, completely transparently, guys, in front of you here. I think that's a great thing. How many funded? 5. 5 funded. Not more than 5. That's very good. That's 40%, Joseph. 40%. Oh. Even if you do $200 a day, on average, 20 days, that's basically 4,000, right? $4,000. We touched the daily opening, 415, guys. Lovely. But we're not in a trade. There you go. Great recovery. So it has been pushed like this, just to do dirty games with us. I'll be testing out 2 minis from here. 381. This is an evaluation, guys. For personal account, which broker? Probably I'm gonna go, yeah, more capital to trade futures. That's right. Probably from starting with 25K or something like that, right? Tasty Trades. Tasty Trades is a very good company. Four out of 9. But you can trade stocks on a whole lot of the places, even on crypto exchanges. Even on crypto exchanges, Binance is going to go quickly about Nasdaq and S&P. So I'm going to have some comfort there, and many other choices, right? A lot of the choices. This is juicy money, guys. Juicy money we have here. Well, look at that push. 2 minis making that money. I'm out of this. I like it. $1,843 on 2 minis. Look at that one, 12 AC. You haven't expected me to do that. First round of fireworks today. We're gonna celebrate and enjoy till the end. We're gonna have fireworks today for an hour. We spent for this session of fireworks about $1,000 in lost accounts today. Unbelievable. That big boy, 150K, been too loose about my discipline and risk management. I let them run the wrong way. But there you go. The market is running and it's printing. Keep it running, big boy. Scrambo's and fire. You got some slippages, but you know, plus 500. And there's many other companies. You always have a little slippage. Yep. Oh, the green tea's sitting around here. But we got to be empty. There you go. We're going to fix that. So you're back. You've been traveling. There you go. You've been traveling, enjoying your time. Tell us more about a traveling side, 12 EC. What a pushback, 450s. But that's just a tremendously scamful price action. Animalistic price action, the way I like to say it. Futures contracts, $10,000. We're gonna find a place to play some games with that. And we're gonna do a fully transparent, smooth challenge. So you bring me luck for trading, and you bring Zinner. What exactly did you brought him? He must be hating on you right now. Probably that's the only reason. Animalistic price action. I don't like this. You bring the price action 160 points down on my longs just to bring it back while I'm sitting out, lacking the confidence needed because we've lost $1,000 on 4 150k accounts on FundedSeat. And now you're taking advantage of that. Look at that. This is the impact of losses. You're sitting out at price action. Touching the wheel up there. I got this Lucid. I like to pass. There you go. So you got seats and coupon codes. It was a very expensive firework we had on this 1,800. Just like on my wedding, $1,000 per second on the fireworks. Said I'm gonna open up a business like that. Having a good time, guys, not trading prop firms. But you see, there's no passion in doing that, so we're out here surviving. We're out here surviving. Who's making $1,000 per second other than fireworks? Testing out a little long from here. 2 minis. I'm not greedy, guys. I'm not greedy. I don't think this is coming all the way back. That would be so silly. I mean, that daily opening should give us a bouncing. There you go. I'm out here. That daily opening. Come on. Bounce, little boy, bounce on that daily opening. We've got you here. Bounce. Yeah. Haha. You guys enjoy that, right? We got to DC, we're sitting on 6 minutes. But this level needs to hold for me on a bouncing. Otherwise, I'm gonna cut my loss and run away. Lovely. With DC, we're sitting on 8 minis. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I'm out of this, guys. We made too much money. No, 3,900 profit. I got a notification, guys. I was looking at my phone. So we made $3,900 profit here. This is the second round of fireworks. We cut the price by half. There you go. Boom. We've cut by half. Look at that. No, we're back in track. We're slowly getting back in track. But remember, next week, the whole next week, Scramble is going to be in holiday. The whole next week, From Monday to Friday, no streaming. We're gonna be on holiday. We're leaving this Friday. But we're still gonna be streaming from Monday to Friday this week. Surprise, can't tell you names yet. 3,900. I'd like to do an extra 600 bucks, guys. An extra 600 little dollars from the animalistic price section. Unfortunately, I know that, guys. So next stream, secret venue. I don't want to be kidnapped. That's the only reason, guys. Because I have the Bitcoin wallet attached to my finger. And if you kidnap me and cut my finger, you can access my portfolio, guys. And that's going to be the problem. So that's why I can't tell you where is my finger. That's the only downside. I think this is coming down, and I'd like to have another 500 bucks made here, guys. I'm shorting it. Come on, cut it off. Serbians have Riviera. South of France. South of France. Bring it down. These are my finger, guys. The wallet, the keys are my finger. If you cut my finger, you get access to my portfolio. But it's a type of finger that's not always with me. So if you cut the finger, it's not gonna worth it. Maybe next year we're gonna have a bull market. What a short entry, guys. This is running way higher, right? I'm cutting. We're 3,000 up. I might just call myself. Might just cut it away myself and put it in a safe box. But at the current price, it's just peanuts, right? You see bear market on the crypto for a year. 12VC leading me into wrong predictions. Leading me into wrong... all that's left to win an account. David, remember what I'm telling you right now. If you are spamming, very likely you're not going to win any account today. And extremely likely not just today. So you want to put your mind around that. And see what you got. If you're spamming, you're breaking the policy. Ha ha ha. I still don't know about this. I think I'm gonna hold... You guys think this is still going up? Because I'm having a hard time watching this price action today. It's our daily VWAP there, 455. I'm testing a short here, guys. 3 minutes short, call me crazy quickly. 4 minutes short. We gotta do $1,500 and then we're switching connection for Savius. I'm going stop loss break even. We touch it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. You claimed the account by writing me on Discord. Write me a... Look at that. The trade would have been successful, guys, and we would have hit the target. You also have to add me on Discord. I probably didn't get your message. You want to write something in our Discord community then. That short would have worked, touched my 4,500 target, guys. If we were not hunted by the market makers watching our live stream. Nothing I can do on that. Two minutes long. 3 minutes long. $4.59 exit. Nah, it's not working. This rejection is real. Stop loss is going to be right there. Stop loss has been touched. Market's probably dumped big time. Quantower totally lagging. Look at that. Yeah. We're 1,400 in profit. You guys have to see the way the 5 minute looks like. Totally ugly. This is the way the 5 minute looks like. Look at that refusal above the daily VWAP. Look at that. I'm out. You saw that? No. You're watching the other screen. 3,200 profit. Celebration time, guys. We shorted. We switched around and shorted. 3,232 profit here. Boom. Had to capitalize on those wicks. 3,232. Let's see what we can do here. Can we do that? Another 1,000. And then we go start trading the Savius. Let's go. Trying slowly to recover. I'm testing a little short here for a continuation. If it bounces at this point, I can easily be out. It's not going to be a problem. I'm out here. $3,705, guys. I'll take that all day long. No more trading here. No more trading here. That's good money. That's good money for evaluation. That's good money. I know you like it. That's good money for an evaluation. Lucid, guys, the best prop firm in the space by far. Oh yeah. #1 ranked. Good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. It hits hard today. Make sure to like the video, guys. What's the timing? Badger is not here today. Badger is not feeling good today. We wish him best of health. Get well soon, buddy. If you're watching this, Badger, he's not feeling good. So, what are the stats? Let me see that. That's been a few days for sure. He's out there at the doctor already. 164 likes. Come on, guys. Let's go for the 180 likes. So I'm still going to trade 3 fresh accounts of 150,000 of FundedSeat flexes. The last accounts for today on FundedSeat. No more. We got to do some profits here. I'm going to do copy trading again. Delete the other copy traders because those accounts no longer exist. 150,000 times 3. Select the parent account, select the child accounts, and we're good to go. I'm not planning to lose any of that. Any of that. There's no way we lose any of that trading the parent account. And then we're going to trade some Savius too. Because we got those 3 accounts that have been looking pretty nice. Could be onto a nice little bouncing. FundedSeat, Lucid, Tap 1, YRM, Savius. You guys want to see the biggest promotions of the week? I've listed them on my Discord. These are the ones. Lucid is the same promo. Nothing has been updated. FundedSeat, same promo. YRM, same promo. Tap 1, same promo as last week. And there is a update on Savius, 70% off on 50k, 100, 150. And then 60% off on 300k. Look at that, deep. Oh my gosh. We might be undercutting here and then run. So I have to long it. On a fresh account, so we're going to do 4 minis. Let's see, where's the Savius? I paid my data feed for Savius on this account today. Is it working? Yeah. We got $3,500 profit. You know, starting by the second month you have to pay data feed. First month is free. Oh my gosh, look at that price section. We're only going to have 2 minis long from here. For my Savius, 2 minis long. And we're actually doing copy trading on 3 accounts. Yeah. Prop firms are celebrating today with all the accounts that are getting banished away. For them, it's a big celebration day. Come on. Do something here, just a little bit lower. One more time. Giveaways will start soon, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We gotta hit the target. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Yesterday, last night, we posted a video which has a $50,000 giveaway attached to it. As soon as we finish the live stream, you want to watch that video. Come on. Do it right now. Waiting for you. I got my 4 minis waiting here. I got my 2 minis on Savius waiting for you. Lovely. Bring it down. An account buster. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah. Come on. You got to undercut. You know, I'm chasing with 2 minis. I'm chasing with 2 minis. I'm chasing. Probably wrong by doing that. And I've longed a contract on my Savius. Let's see. I've longed a contract on my Savius. I'll have an entry a little lower. Ton of people bidding here. I like it. I like it for the moment. Come on, let's see some strength flying above 350s quickly. We've got our long setup here for these 3 copy traded accounts. Lovely. Lovely, guys. No more limit order from the other side. Great profit here. Yeah, I'm selling on Savius for the moment. Indeed. 700 bucks. I had a ton of losses today. Let me try to see if I can make more here on FundedSeat. Let me see if I can make more here. And not be greedy pretty much on all the accounts. I'm relonging on Savius. 2 minis at this time, so I've doubled my size. I've exited higher and bought lower. We shouldn't make more than 1,500 on Savius. We should not. Got to DC another contract. Come on, the next 1 minute candle. This one. Give me the juice here, guys. Rip it. Rip it. Give me the juice. I like this reaction. Beautiful reaction, guys. Have DC'd into my FundedSeat, and we touch the target here, $1,500. We're gonna celebrate on this page, $1,500 for my Savius, and we have a big target here of $3,000 on this fresh FundedSeat account. Boom! We're celebrating for the Savius one, and we might also celebrate for the FundedSeat too. I don't want to cut anything here. That was a lovely 1 minute closing we had. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep it running, keep it running. I'm selling 2 contracts. Yeah. Yeah, I sold 2 contracts. I'm gonna trail. I'm selling 1 more contract there, and I'm leaving the rest of it open with the trailing at this point. So we have 1,800 secured here. 1,800 secured. Trailing the rest of the account. There you go. I'm fully out here. Thank you, guys. 2,741. Celebration time for this one as well. That's a lovely way to end our live stream and start with the giveaways. Look at that one. 2,741 on 3 accounts copy traded. Boom. This is the first day. Here you go. 3 accounts copy trading, parent, and 2 childs. Oh. And then 1,503 accounts for our Savius. There you go. Finally, it paid off. We're back to 155 and we need 2,500 here, guys. 2,500 profit. That's how much we need on this Savius ones. Happy wife, happy life. There you go. Happy family. I got some toys from the kids sitting around. If you want toys, guys, do let me know and I can sort it out for you. But the time has come for the giveaways. Where's the pen here? We're gonna play some. No idea. Oh. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Not gonna bother with it. I mean, not even able to bother with this thing. It's max profit. Bob Snell. If you guys want me to attach a Bob Snell to the giveaway, I can do that. I found this on my desk. Look at a Bob Snell, right? If you want the Bob Snell to be attached, you see the candlesticks through the snail, right? Look at that. I can give you this on the attached to the giveaway winner, if you don't mind. Green tea effect, and I got I got something else and many other things I can't show you. So this is where we are, fellas. Time to advance into our giveaway. Minimum 180 likes. Do we have 180 likes? Do we have minimum 180 likes? Because I'm not seeing it. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's make minimum 200. No, minimum 190. Minimum 190. Let's do it, guys. Minimum 190 likes. Everyone like the video. It's over. With Savius, I might be able to go for a payout this week. I only need 2,000 bucks, and that is as quickly, as short as 2 days of 1,000. Beautiful. Right, so we've got the likes needed. Time for me to set things up. Badger is not here, so Scramble is going to make sure the whole process is going to be totally rigged. Totally rigged. Oh my gosh, you must be having a good time for sure. Totally rigged. So, what do we have to do? We need the ducks. We need the whale and we need formula. It's simple, right? Here's the wheel. Now, before we talk about the giveaway and the things you gotta do, you want to make sure to participate in the giveaway. So you want to complete the form, like the video, be subscribed to the YouTube channel, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, and join our Discord. These are the mandatory things. From Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, daily trades, lovely community, and a lot of giveaways, a lot of them. So first giveaway is going to be Tap 1 Futures, 25k, Elite Daily. This is a Tap 1 Futures prop firm, 25,000 Elite Daily accounts or no activation fees, challenges with no consistency on the funded stage, and daily payouts once you're sitting above the buffer. 50% off, by the way, with my code on that one. So you'll have to guess the number. It's just a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times or spam or play dirty games. We're going to have a few numbers out there. Watch out, everyone. Between 0 and 6. You can actually start right now between 0 and 6. Let me know your best choice, guys. Good luck, everyone. Come on. Between 0 and 6. What a great way of ending a pretty bad start of the week with that trading happening. We lost 4 accounts. Evaluations. Nothing funded has been lost. Yeah, we got the starting command. We have the start. We had it. You gotta put your number. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. It's over. Yep. Shuffle, and we're good to go. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Could it be the 0? Do you agree with me? That's going to be the number. Yeah, that's the 0, guys. It's the 0. Wondering about the winners. Wondering about the winners. Congratulations, by the way. Congratulations. Time for the duck race. Best ranked is going to win. Best of luck, guys. Let's go with the ducks. This is the first giveaway. We have certainly a lot more. So best ranked is going to win. Ho, 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 ho. 10 seconds to go. Come on. You want to speed up. Right now, Vintage Store. Look at that Vintage Store. Taking advantage and leading. Vintage Store. Congratulations. Vintage Store. You made it. Good job, buddy. Time to verify if you're here on the list. Time for the truth. Oh yeah, Vintage Store is here. Congratulations. Nasdaq pumping to 370, 380s. Oh. Looks like a double bottom for the moment. Not to be ashamed. Lovely. That was the first giveaway. Congratulations for the winner. Congratulations. Time for the second one, right? Time for the second one. Second one will be $25,000. FundedSeat Flex account. Yeah. He said it. He's going to sell. But the market is not really paying attention to that. 25K FundedSeat Flex, guys, for the second giveaway. Watch out for the numbers. Yeah. Vintage Store, it's been winning like 3 to 4 times already. So watch out for the numbers. We're going to have the following listed between 0 and 7 at this time. You can start, guys. Let me know your best choice. A single choice. Start right now. This is a $25,000 FundedSeat Flex account. No activation fee, anything. Just pass your evaluation and then trade your business for payout. No consistency and target. between 0 and 7. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. So who's next? We're gonna find it out. Not to worry. Let's shuffle. There you go. Best of luck, guys. This is the second giveaway. 380s. We need to reclaim that daily opening on Nasdaq to speak about an extension for the bulls. Could have been a number 3, guys. I saw Purple Ninja with number 3. I think that's going to be number 3, guys. Look at that. Congratulations for the winners. This is the second giveaway. We've got more. Congratulations for the winners with number 3. It's just about 21 fellas joining on board. Best of luck, guys, for a $25,000 FundedSeat Flex account. Vintage Store, that's a great gesture from you. Thank you. You didn't want to lose it, right? We can rerun with the account you have won. Lunateers. Lunateers, congratulations. Lunateers. Did you fill up the form? Lunateers, yes, congratulations on a $25,000 FundedSeat Flex account. We can rerun with 2 numbers for your top one. We can do that. If you want, Vintage Store, is your real profile or not real profile? Let me know. Because we used to have scammers. Vintage Store, you have to confirm. Is this your real profile or not? Vintage Store. We got scammers that are playing games with fake and same users. Congratulations. Oh, look at that, trading above the 400s. This is getting juicy, guys. Let's continue with the next giveaway, which will be a Lucid one. This giveaway is going to be a Lucid 50,000 Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro, guys. 50,000 Lucid Pro. You guys like this? Whole lot of the money to be cashed out. Trading at the daily opening. This is getting nervous. You know we're gonna have just a few numbers. Only 3 numbers, but there's gonna be multiple entries of those 3 numbers. So, look at that one. We're gonna have a 00, 22, and a 777. 00, 22, 777. You can start right now. There you go. You can start right now. That's from where you're a millionaire, from your cats trading for you. 12 AC, that's why you got to be a millionaire, because your cats are trading for you. No me interesa, no me interesa. Rip it. Rip it, guys. This is a 50,000. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. It's over. Shuffle, and here we are. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Could be the number 2, guys, on red. Could be, but it's not. It's probably going to be number 7. Depends on the paddle. Let me see, how do I press that paddle? It's going to be the number 2. Game over. Number 2 for the winners. Congratulations. It was not difficult at all. Was it? It was not difficult at all, guys. Just like trading. Rigged. Just like trading. We have a ton of winners. Look at that. $52. No one cares about lucky 7 when you have number 2 in the wheel. Best of luck, guys. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Yeah, we're gonna do a combination with your Vintage Store account. Exactly, the wheel. Vintage Store, we're gonna rerun along with a YRM account. Pereira Dreams. Look at that, Pereira Dreams. Pereira Dreams is making through and winning a big time. Good job, Pereira. Did you fill out the form? Pereira. Yes, Pereira Dreams is here. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Flies out to you. What a juicy account. Oh my gosh. What a juicy account. Continuing, guys. Continuing. And now we're going to have 2 giveaways in this one. We're going to share 2 accounts. First will be 50,000 YRM. And second will be the winner of the first giveaway, Vintage Store, donated his account back to the community. So we're going to have the top one futures 25k elite daily. Right? Think about, guys. He won the account and donated back to you. It's going to be included here, so thank you. Appreciate it, buddy. We're going to have 2 numbers. Let's do 2 numbers. Yeah. But watch out with the 2 numbers. Watch out. The way we're running this. Watch out. We're going to have a single 7 and a double 8. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Start, guys. A single 7 and a double 8. Let's go. Let me know your best choice. Single 7, double 8. I bet there is more people going with a single 7. I can tell you, more people going with a single 7, guys. But you know, everything is scripted here. Alright guys, so stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. There you go. Best of luck, guys. Single 7 double 8. Most of the people go by number 8. Yeah, statistically. And that's going to be a red number 8, guys. Congratulations for the winner. We have you for the number 8. Pretty simple, Ray. You have 66% chance of winning. That you've materialized successfully. So you've converted. 8 for the winners. Good job. Good job. Congratulations. Look at that one. Congratulations. Yeah. 8 for the winners. Probably a ton. Probably a ton. 93. We're going to do 2 rounds. So 1 minute competition time. And you know what we're going to do? You know who's going to qualify second round? Second ranked plus the last. No, let's do 3, guys. Second ranked plus the last plus fourth. Because we're sharing 2 accounts. We're sharing 50,000 YRM for the best ranked. From the second round, of course. And then the donated account from Vintage Store. So second ranked, fourth, and the last. We'll go second round. Rip it. Rip it, guys. This is looking beautiful. Not the best time of winning. Rundo Shui. Not the best time for winning. Run. Not the best time of being the third run. Just in between the winners run. Just in between the winners run. Congratulations for the winners. Ryan Sculpts. There you go. Jib Smith. And then who's the last? Who's the last? Guzman. With digital nukes next to him. Guzman is the last. Let's verify. Guzman. Did you fill out the 4, Guzman? Yes. Not bad. And then we've got basically Ryan Sculpts. Remember, 2 out of this 3 fellas qualifying second round will win. And Jib Smith. There you go. All the 3. So let's put it that way. 30 seconds competition time. And watch out the way we're rewarding. We've got 3 ducks here. One of them is going to be Trump. You're going to get a timeout, David. For spamming. So watch out, guys. Second ranked and the third ranked will receive the prizes. Second ranked will be having 50k YRM. Third will have a 25k tap on futures account and lead daily. So the first one is not receiving anything. The first one is not receiving anything. Second ranked and third ranked. I told you, we are rewarding laziness. Trump is not getting anything. Guzman. Oh my gosh, Guzman. You got the wrong lottery ticket. Second rank, Jib Smith is having a 50,000 YRM, and the third one, Ryan, is having a $25,000 tap on futures elite daily account. Congratulations for the winners. Let's have a little round of boom, a fireworks bust for all the winners of today. Thank you so much, guys. Unlucky big time on that. Unlucky big time. Oh yeah. So that being said, we had a great timing, especially by the end of the live stream, making those profits on the Savius that are close to payouts, only $2,000 needed. We made great money on the FundedSeat too, on those 3 accounts copy traded, and the market is looking like for a possible recovery if we can clear that daily VWAP. 430s continuing tomorrow, guys. In the meantime, meet you up on our Discord community. Thank you once again, and keep in mind we've got the best pricings presented here. Thank you, guys. Wish you a lovely day. We'll talk